Why your Xfinity internet is suddenly so slow usually comes down to a mix of internet congestion, local setup issue, or temporary signal problems rather than your plan suddenly not working. One of the most common reasons is peak hours congestion. Xfinity is a shared network, which means your neighborhood is effectively sharing bandwidth on the same infrastructure. When more people are streaming, gaming, or downloading at the same time, speeds can drop noticeably, even if your plan has not changed. Another big factor is Wi-Fi performance inside your home. Even if your internet speed from the provider is strong, weak Wi-Fi signal, thick walls, or router placement in a corner can dramatically reduce real-world speed on your devices. Router also get overloaded over time if your modem or gateway has been running for days or weeks without a restart. Memory buildup and temporary glitches can start affecting performance. A simple reboot often clears that and restores normal speed. Uh, Sometimes the issue is as simple as too many connected devices, smart TVs, phones, laptop, gaming consoles, and background app update can quietly consume bandwidth, leaving less available for what you are actively doing. Um, your equipment can also play a role. Older modems or routers may not fully support higher speed plans, which means you are paying for speeds your hardware cannot actually deliver consistently. Signal interference is another hidden issue. Things like microwaves, Bluetooth devices, and neighboring Wi-Fi networks can disrupt your connection, especially on crowded 2.4 GHz channels, leading to random slowdowns. In some cases, Xfinity itself may be experiencing temporary outages or maintenance work in your area. During these times, speeds can fluctuate until service stabilizes again. Another things worth checking is background usage on your devices. Automatic updates, cloud backups, or streaming apps running in the background can quietly slow everything down without obvious warning signs. If the slowdown feels sudden, restarting your modem and router, checking cable connections, and testing speeds on a wired connection can help quickly identify whether the issue is inside your home or coming from the network. Most of the slow Xfinity internet is not permanent. It's either congestion, Wi-Fi limitations, or a temporary glitch that can be improved with a few basic adjustments. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video, maybe